Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about data science. What is data science, where it's used, who can learn it, and more about data science. In today's digital world, data is the heart of decision making. But how does businesses unlock the power of data to drive innovation and success? The answer lies in data science. Let's see what is data science. Data science is the art of extracting meaningful insights from vast set of structured and unstructured data. It combines statistics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and programming to analyze trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions. But where is data science used? Data science is transforming industries worldwide, including healthcare, entertainment, finance, e-commerce, retail, marketing and advertising, social media, manufacturing, and automotive. Now let's see who can learn data science. Data science is for everyone. Whether you're a student, working professional, software developer, business analyst, or an entrepreneur, mastering data science can open high-paying job opportunities in various industries. Prerequisites for learning data science. Before diving into data science, it is beneficial to have foundational skills such as basic programming, knowledge in Python, R, SQL, and understanding of statistics and probability, problem solving and analytic skill, and familiarity with databases like SQL, NoSQL. Even if you are a beginner, structured training at Brolly Academy will help you master these skills and build a strong foundation in data science. Now let's see job opportunities in data science. Data science offers exciting career opportunities including data scientist, machine learning engineer, data analyst, AI engineer, business intelligence analyst, big data analyst, and much more. With businesses relying on data, these roles are high in demand. Salaries in data science. Data science professionals can earn competitive salaries worldwide, with entry-level positions ranging from 6 lakh to 12 lakh per annually, while mid-level professionals have a range of 12 to 20 lakh per year, and senior-level experts can earn more than 25 lakhs annually. Salaries vary based on expertise, skills, and location, making data science a best career choice. Course duration and certification at Brolly Academy. At Brolly Academy, our data science course can be completed in 4 to 6 months depending on your learning pace. Upon completion, you will receive an industry-recognized certification which can help you boost your career opportunities. Skills learned during data science course in Brolly Academy. During the course, you will gain expertise in various essential domains of data science. You will learn Python and R for data analysis, enabling you to manipulate data, perform statistical computations, and derive insights. Machine learning and deep learning concepts will equip you with the knowledge to build predictive models and work on AI-driven applications. You will learn data visualization with Tableau and Power BI. You will also master SQL and NoSQL for efficient data management and retrieval. Additionally, you will explore big data technologies and cloud computing, preparing you to handle large-scale data sets in real-world applications. With artificial intelligence and predictive analysis, you will develop the ability to automate decision-making and forecast trends. These in-demand skills will make you job-ready and set you apart in competitive data science industry. Modes of training at Brolly Academy. At Brolly Academy, we offer flexible learning modes to accommodate your schedule and learning preferences. Our classroom training provides hands-on, industry-led sessions for an interactive learning experience. With an online learning, you can learn in real time from anywhere, ensuring convenience without compromising quality. If you prefer flexibility, our self-paced learning allows you to access recorded sessions and study at your own pace. Through practical projects and real-world applications, our training ensures you are industry-ready and develop skills that you need in the industry of data science. Now let's see market trends in data science. Data science is evolving rapidly, driven by major industry trends such as AI-driven analytics and automation, cloud-based data platforms, cybersecurity and broken chain integration, and the expansion of IoT and big data. As businesses increasingly invest in data-driven strategies to enhance decision-making and operational efficiency, The demand for skilled data scientists continues to soar, making it one of the most promising and future-proof career paths. Now let's see why choose Brolly Academy for data science. At Brolly Academy, we offer a comprehensive curriculum for data science for you to learn. Our curriculum is tailored to real-world applications, ensuring hands-on experience through practical projects. With expert mentorship and interactive training, you will gain in-depth knowledge and confidence in data science. We provide job assistance, resume building, and interview preparation to help you secure job in top companies. Our flexible training modes is designed for both professionals and students who are interested in learning data science, making it easier for you to balance with other commitments. Start your data science career in Brolly Academy with certified trainers and get recognized by top companies through our certification. Top companies hire data science professionals across the world. Companies like Google, Microsoft, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, JP Morgan, Deloitte, Pfizer, and more companies are actively hiring for data science analysts. The future of data science is promising, driven by emerging trends such as AI-powered data analytics, big data and IoT applications, personalized solutions in healthcare and businesses, and the growing use of automation and predictive analysis across various industries. As technology continues to advance, data science will play a crucial role in decision-making, innovation, and efficiency, making it one of the most future-proof and high-demand career choice in this digital era. To summarize, data science is a high-demand, high-paying career with applications in finance, healthcare, AI, and business intelligence. At Brolly Academy, our expert-led training and certification program will help you gain practical skills and prepare you for exciting job opportunities. Start your journey in data science today at Brolly Academy and become a highly sought-after data science professional in the ever-evolving tech industry. Let me know your doubts in the comment sections. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such content.